The half kneeling cable crossbody lat pull around is a back exercise that positions the body to get a great stretch in the lats. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a single D handle to a middle pulley on the cable machine, positioned at a height just above your head while you are kneeling on one knee. While facing the cable machine, grab the D handle with your outside arm. Step a few feet away from the cable machine to ensure the cable is taut. Get into a half kneeling stance with the knee closest to the cable machine down on the floor with the other foot forward and planted into the floor to form a 90-degree angle at both knees. Twist your torso 90 degrees so your body is now parallel to the cable machine with your working arm pulled across the front of your body. At this point, you should feel a great stretch in your lats. With your back straight, core engaged, and shoulders square, exhale as you initiate the pull by driving your elbow down and across your body. Keep your core tight to avoid excessive rotation of your torso to keep the movement controlled and isolated on the lats. Pause briefly when your hand is near your hip and your lats are fully contracted. Inhale as you slowly reverse the motion, controlling the handle back to the starting position to allow your arm to extend fully for another big stretch. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.